Hello. So I'm Miss Julia from the Addison Public Library, and today we're going to make something for the holiday coming up, and that's Halloween. It's going to be a Halloween puppet theater. And so if you want to come and get the kit, it will be available at Children's Services, and the kit will include some cardboard and you can do this yourself at home. You just need an empty cereal box and cut out the shape of the template. And you can find that at madebyjoel.com, madebyjoel.com, and look for Halloween, or look for a theater, or look for just all of them and look through them. They've got wonderful ideas. Wonderful art things that you can download and print out. So it's a 2-page template, and I used scissors and a artist's X-Acto knife to cut out. So you need help from an adult if you're going to cut it out yourself. But in the kit, we'll have one of these, and then some black paint, which is tempera, washable tempera paint. And then you'll need to have a brush of some kind, or you could use even like a little piece of a sponge to make your house black. And then with the kit will also come 5 characters, 5 finger puppets, and I'll talk about them later too. So now what I'm going to do is show you how it's very simple. You can just get some newspaper, newsprint, so that you don't get the table dirty, and you get either a small rag or even a paper towel that you can bunch up and use as, or an actual paint brush, and then you just use the paint to make it all black. So you want to, because you have the newspaper, you don't have to worry too much about it getting over the edges, right? And then you'll want to leave it. You don't want it to stick to the newspaper. That happened a little bit to mine. We moved to a new piece of newspaper for it to dry. When you finish the actual coloring part, then it's not as likely to stick much as it dries overnight. Especially the way I'm not worrying too much about being perfect, so I'm getting to the edges, and that might make it stick a little bit. So this is going to be fun. You'll want to have some siblings or parents or other people share with your finger puppet theater. Have a scary play. I think some of the characters, there's a bat, there's a cat, it looks like. I have to look at the rest of them. Oh, there's a jack-o'-lantern made from a pumpkin. All right, so the container I had enough for 2. I'll show you later. And so there's the black paint, and so you can see that this is now, I'll turn it around so you can see the house is painted. Our piece of cardboard is painted, and it was already cut out, to show the windows and things. All right, so there it is. And so we'll put that aside on a new piece of paper towel. Put it aside for at least a few hours, and preferably until the next day. And then I'm going to pull this back up, and then you will have your stage right here for your puppet theater. And who's going to perform on a Halloween puppet theater? Well, we have all these characters. They're in different colored paper. So here's the bat, the jack-o'-lantern. One of them I'm not quite positive what it is. Maybe you can help me. There's a ghost. I think this is the cat. And this is some sort of an animal. Not sure which one. They come in various different colors. There it is in green. And I had the colors like on the website. You'll see madebyjoel.com. He has done them in bright colors, so I also did them up in bright colors. And so then you're going to cut them all out. I cut out all but one of them. And here is the ghost, this ghost. And then you just get it to fit around your finger, like that. And different people can play different parts. So here I'm going to put them on my fingers. And let's see, fit this one, maybe this one. Let's see which ones fit. All right, so here you have your finger puppets, and then you put your house, and you have the stage. I'm gonna put it farther back, and your finger puppets. Different people playing parts can play little plays. They can even climb upstairs and go over here. Super fun. And whoops. So you'll have something fun to do at Halloween, making a craft and also having a little play on your stage. All right. Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll enjoy. Bye.